how to fix Tinder controls not working or if the buttons are unresponsive. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix if the Tinder controls are not working. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Tinder controls or buttons are not working or it is unresponsive, it could be happening due to various reasons. First of all, you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If it's not working, try to close the Tinder application. If you're using the Tinder app on Android, long press the Tinder app icon, then tap on the eye icon. In some Android devices, it will be labeled as app information and you'll land on this page. If you're using iPhone, you have to try to offload the application by the way. Once you're here, scroll down to the storage tab. Make sure to clear the cache files and you can also try to clear the data, but remember that clearing the data will log you out of your account. Go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if your Tinder app is updated to the latest version. If it hasn't been updated in a while, you want to try to update it and restart your device, re-log in, and hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.